So hey guys, what's up? Today, we'll be creating Sharkedege X Beyblade from cardboard. To get started, cut at least 8 cardboard pieces, similar to the layer template, and attach them using glue, following the steps. We are almost done with the layer. Sinan is now shaping the Beyblade layer using a soldering iron. For making cardboard Beyblades, Sinan actually uses ice cream boxes, which you can collect from local shops where ice cream is sold in the summertime. Now, for better accuracy, Sinan is adding a 3D shape for a better look. Next, for the ratchet, cut approximately 5 cardboard pieces matching the shape of the 4D60 ratchet. Finally, attach the small circular cardboard pieces with glue and secure the ratchet to the layer using hot glue. If you want to enhance the look, you can add colors around the Beyblade, though it's optional. Now, for the bit, take the cap of a sign pen or marker, like this one. Unfortunately, at this moment, Sinan doesn't have a purple color marker pen. You can also check out our other Beyblade X Beys making videos for the bit making part. Your likes and positive comments truly inspire Sinan to create new videos. However, this video would be worth it for both of us if you just throw your Beyblade on the subscribe button and ring the bell icon down below.